What are you ladies up to?
Good. Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. That's beautiful.
Well, it doesn't stop there. I'm gonna get started on your Father's Day dinner. So for Teal's Father's Day meal, I thought I'd make something that will be a sure hit with him. And he loves barbecue ribs. I don't make it very often, but I thought maybe as a treat, he does deserve it.
I do. I do deserve it.
You do deserve it. So this is how I make his favorite barbecue ribs. So now I'm gonna prep the meat, and what I do is I strip the silver skin off and I just lightly season it with a little garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper on both sides, and then I will pop this into the pressure cooker and cook that for about half an hour.
That's it?
That's it. So I'm gonna add a little heat, and what I like to do is just add a splash of moisture on the bottom, and I do like to use this basket because it elevates the meat off of it while it steams. So while that's building up pressure, I'm gonna make my sauce, and you can basically use whatever sauce you'd like, your favorites. I like to use a basic barbecue sauce, and I will doctor it up with a little spice or a little sweetness. Since it's your Father's Day meal, I'm gonna add a little heat to it for you.
Well, let's see first.
No!
What do you think?
Might need a little bit more chipotle. So it's been half an hour, and I'm going to make sure that all the pressure's out before we open this up.
Oh, I love that smell.
Ta-da! Okay, so this is literally fall off the bone. And I'll let this cool off, and then I will cut it up, and then we will put this on the grill and baste it in the
Barbecue
barbecue
sauce?
sauce.
Oh. Okay, hurry up.
Look at this,
Amazing. Love it.
fall off the bone. So while the meat cools off, I'm going to enjoy myself and take in the scenery. Now that the meat's cooled, I'm going to cut it up and toss it in the barbecue sauce. I'm going to actually put it into a tin foil pan for less mess on the grill.
Good idea.
Okay, so change your plan. This happens when you're on a boat. It's a little too windy to go on the grill. I'm going to use my stovetop cooktop.
Smells delicious. How's it coming?
Well, it's charred enough, so I think we're ready for dinner.
Oh,
A little smokiness, a little barbecue, a little tanginess.
love it.
You ready?
I am.